Good morning. Welcome to our office.
Good morning, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Please, have a seat.
Thank you.
Before we start, tell me a little about yourself.
Sure. My name is Alex. I graduated from XYZ University with a degree in business management. I have 3 years of experience in customer service and team management. I am looking for a position where I can grow and contribute to the company.
That's good. Can you tell me why you applied to our company?
I've read about your company's focus on excellent customer service and innovation. I feel my skills match your needs, and I want to contribute to your growth.
Excellent. Did anyone refer you? Or did you find the job online?
I found it on LinkedIn, but I also spoke with a former colleague who recommended your company.
That's nice. How long have you been looking for a new position?
About 2 months. I wanted to find a role that really fits my skills and goals.
How was your commute today?
It was good. Traffic was light, so I arrived early.
Good. Did you find the office easily?
Yes, Google Maps helped me. I also noticed the building is very modern.
Thank you. We take pride in our workspace. Do you like working in a modern office environment?
Yes, I feel it helps motivate employees.
Great. Outside work, what do you enjoy doing?
I enjoy reading business books, learning new software tools, and sometimes playing sports like football.
That's good. Reading and sports are great for balance.
Yes, I believe it helps me stay focused at work.
Do you usually work better alone or in a team?
I can do both, but I enjoy teamwork more because it allows us to share ideas and solve problems together.
That's important. Teamwork is key here. Can you tell me more about your previous job?
Sure. I worked at ABC Company as a customer service representative. My main tasks were helping customers solve problems, handling complaints, training new staff, and improving service processes.
Excellent. What was your biggest challenge there?
Some customers were very upset or angry. I learned to stay calm, listen carefully, and find solutions quickly.
That's impressive. How did you manage your team?
I led a small team of 5 people. I assigned tasks, tracked progress, and helped them improve their skills. I also reported to management regularly.
Good. Can you give me an example of a successful project you worked on?
Yes. We noticed many customers were frustrated with response time. I suggested a new tracking system. After implementing it, customer satisfaction increased by 20%.
That's excellent. Did you face any obstacles while implementing it?
Yes, some team members were resistant at first. I explained the benefits and gave training. Gradually, everyone adapted.
Very good. How do you handle multitasking?
I prioritize tasks, make a schedule, and focus on one task at a time. I also delegate when necessary.
And how do you deal with stress?
I stay calm, take short breaks if needed, and discuss problems with colleagues. I also make sure to stay organized.
Let's do some scenarios. Imagine a customer is very angry about a delayed product. What do you do?
I would first listen carefully and let them explain. I stay calm, apologize for the problem, and find a solution. I then explain clearly what can be done and follow up to ensure satisfaction.
Excellent. Another scenario, your team has a deadline, but one member is falling behind.
I would talk to the team member to understand the problem. Then I would reassign tasks or help them so the team finishes on time.
Good. A customer asks for a refund, but the policy says no refunds.
I would explain the policy politely, offer an alternative, such as a replacement or discount, and make sure they feel valued.
Excellent. How do you handle conflicts within your team?
I listen to both sides, communicate calmly, and find a solution that works for everyone.
Great. What software tools are you familiar with?
I am proficient with Microsoft Office, CRM systems, and basic data analysis tools like Excel.
Perfect. How do you learn new systems?
I read manuals, watch tutorials, and practice hands-on. I also ask questions when needed.
Excellent. Can you teach others new systems?
Yes. I enjoy helping colleagues understand new tools.
Why should we hire you instead of other candidates?
I have relevant experience, strong communication skills, and a positive attitude. I am willing to learn and work hard to help the company succeed.
What are your long-term career goals?
I want to grow in management and contribute to improving customer experience. I hope to take on more responsibility over time.
How do you handle failure?
I analyze what went wrong, learn from it, and try to improve next time.
How do you stay motivated at work?
I set personal goals, focus on learning, and celebrate small achievements.
Do you work well under supervision?
Yes, I respect guidance and feedback. I also take initiative when possible.
What are your salary expectations?
I am flexible. I hope for a fair salary according to market standards, and I value growth opportunities.
Are you willing to travel for work?
Yes, I am willing.
How soon can you start?
I can start in 2 weeks.
Are you willing to work overtime if needed?
Yes, I understand that sometimes deadlines require extra work.
How do you handle cultural differences in a team?
I respect different perspectives, communicate clearly, and try to find common ground.
Do you adapt quickly to new environments?
Yes. I observe, learn, and adjust to the team's culture.
What motivates you to work hard?
Achieving goals, learning new skills, and helping the company succeed.
How do you handle disagreements with a supervisor?
I discuss the issue calmly, present facts, and try to find a solution.
How do you manage multiple tasks with tight deadlines?
I prioritize, plan carefully, and ask for help if needed.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yes. Can you tell me about the company's plan for the next 5 years?
We are expanding into new markets, improving customer service, and investing in training employees.
That sounds exciting. What do you expect from new employees in their first year?
We expect them to learn the company culture, improve their skills, and contribute to team success.
Thank you. That aligns with my goals.
Great. Thank you, Alex. It was a pleasure talking with you. We will contact you soon.
Thank you, Mrs. I really enjoyed our conversation.